ले जो हमारा लेडी का लेडी पर हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन क्लास में राइट हमारी प्रोटेक्ट लेडी portrait लेडी रा समरी तापर हमरा जो तीन चैप्टर क्लियर हो छी और भाई बोर्ड एग्जाम the portrait of a lady means the portrait of a lady means the picture or the picture photocopy of a lady photocopy of a lady here the lady here the lady is the writer's grandmother the writer's grandmother the topic highlights familiar relationship the familiar relationship between writer Kushwant Singh writer Kushwant Singh between the relationship between writer Kushwant Singh KHUSHWANT Kushwant Singh and his grandmother it is a beautiful story built upon it is a beautiful story built upon built 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 upon Indian grandmother whom we consider Indian grandmother whom we consider whom we consider as a living goddess whom we consider a living 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 goddess GODDES unit 1 start करो unit 1 underline कर लिखा the writer says his grandmother the writer says his grandmother is like everybody's grandmother. Is like everybody's grandmother. Full stop. She was short. She was short. SHORT, short, comma, cat, cat, and a slightly bent, BENT, bent. Full stop. Her face was, her face, her face was covered with, covered, COVERED, covered with criss-cross wrinkles, criss, 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 CROSS, cross, wrinkles, WRINKLES, wrinkles. Full stop. She was old. She was old. That that she could not grow. She could not grow further. FURTHER, further. She could not grow further. Full stop. She was young. She was young and pretty. She was young and pretty in her youth. In her youth. 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 Apa lagi pilih? The writer saw. The writer saw. SAW. The writer saw the portrait of. The writer saw the portrait of grandfather. The portrait of a grandfather on the mantelpiece. On the mantelpiece. MANTEL. Mantelpiece. Piece. PIECE. Piece of the drawing room. Of the drawing room. Mantelpiece of the drawing room. Full stop. In the portrait, the portrait, he had put on, he had put on a big turban, big, big, big turban, 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 pagadi, tapare loose fitting clothes, loose fitting clothes, 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 पिले लिखा his long white beard, his long white beard had covered his chest, had covered, had covered his chest, beard, BEARD, beard had covered, covered, covered his chest. Sorry, full stop. He looked to be above. He looked to be above. He looked to be above 100 years, above 100 years, if he had, as if, as if he had lots and lots of, lots and lots of grandchildren, lots and lots of grandchildren. The writer, the writer, the writer could not understand. The writer could not understand, could not understand how this pretty lady, how this pretty lady, how this pretty lady could be the wife of, could be the wife of that old man, could be the wife of that old man. Old man, full stop. In the evening, in the evening, grandmother, grandmother often told stories, often told stories to the writer, to the writer. Full stop. The writer sat, the writer sat, capping, Gapping. The writer sat gapping at her mouth in an, at her mouth in an unbelievable, unbelievable, in an unbelievable look. ଅବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଭାବରେ ସେ ଖାଲି ଚାହିଁ ରହିଥାନ୍ତି ଚାହାଣି ସେ ରହିଥାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରାଣକ କାଟିକି ଚାହିଁକି ରହିଥିବେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଗପି ଗପି ଚାଲିଥିବେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାରର ଫନି ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଭୂତ ଷ୍ଟୋରି The writer loved his grandmother, loved his grandmother very much. The writer loved, the writer loved his grandmother very much. Minister, she was spiritually, she was spiritually, spiritually beautiful. She was spiritually beautiful. Minister, she moved, she moved in the house. She moved, Moved. She moved in the house wearing a spotless, wearing a spotless, wearing, Wearing, wearing a spotless white sari, a spotless white sari, SAREE, sari, and telling the beads, and telling the beads, BEADS, beads of her rosary, sari, ROSAR, Berarti itu mari. The writer was proud of her. Full stop दे लेगा. The writer was proud of. The writer was proud of her. आपने पहले second unit. Second unit. Proud of her. ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗର୍ବ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଥିଲେ ଏଭଳି କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଥିଲେ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡମଦର. Unit 2. When the writer's parents when the writer's parents when the writer's parents were living in the city when the parents came in the city at that time the writer was living with a grandmother in the village. The writer was living with a grandmother in the village. She was taking he was taking care of him. Care of him. Care, C-A-R-E. Care of him. She woke W-O-K-E-D. She woke him up. She woke him up early in the morning. Early in the morning. Comma, bathed him. Bathed, B-A-T-H-E-D. Bathed him. Bathed मतलब आधे धोते. Bathed him. Bathed him, comma, dressed him. अरे आधे धुला तो dressed him. Comma, fed him. Fed him. Feed him. Fed. Fed him and arranged him school bag. And arranged him school bag. And arranged him school bag. Full stop. He was singing. He was singing prayers. He was singing prayers so that he could remember them. He could remember them. He would remember them. Also, like at that time, the school was running. At that time, the school was running. In the temple premises. In the temple. Premises. P-R-E-M-I-S-E-S. Premises. Premises. Spelling by P-R-E-M-I-S-E-S. Premises. Full stop. Remember? Where They were reciting, RECITING, reciting the letters, reciting reciting the letters in chorus, CHORUS, chorus सम्मिलित भाବରେ ଗାଉଥିଲେ। grandmother grandmother used to read, grandmother used USED, used to read holy scriptures, holy HOLY, holy scriptures, पवित्र धर्मग्रंथ, holy scriptures, SCRIPTURES, holy scriptures. At another end of the temple, another end of the temple, another end of the temple. Next, students, unit 3. Unit 3. The writer's parents, the writer's parents, the writer's parents were settled in the city, were settled, SETTLED, settled in the city. The writer went to school, by bus. The writer went to school by bus. By bus. That time, he fed the sparrows. He fed the sparrows. Sparrows, SPARROW. Sparrows in the courtyard. In the courtyard. 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 Courtyard of the house. Sometimes she inspects. Sometimes she inspects. ENSPECTS, inspects. The writer about his study at school. About his study at school. Writer about his study. About his study at school. First of all, when she heard, HEARD, when she heard the about the lessons, about the lessons, particularly relating to music, particularly relating to music. He was upset. He was upset. UPSET, upset. And looked disturbed. Disturbed. DIST. Disturbed. She did not prefer it. She did not prefer it. When the writer, when the writer, when the writer went to university, went to university, when the writer went to university, his relationship with the grandmother, his relationship with the grandmother was totally cut off. Totally cut off. Full stop. In the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, he went to the roof. He went to the roof, comma, broke the bread, broke, B-R-O-K-E, broke the bread into small pieces, into small pieces, and fed, F-E-D, fed these to the sparrows, to the sparrows. They sat on her head. They sat. Yes, A-T, sat on her head. They sat. They sat on her head, shoulder, head, shoulder. Made various chirpings. Chirping, C-H-I-R-R-U-P-I-N-G-S, chirpings. Last unit, unit 4. The writer, the writer decided to go abroad. Decided to go abroad. The writer decided to go abroad for 5 years. Abroad, A-B-R-O-A-D, abroad, for 5 years, for 5 years, to take higher studies, to take higher studies. He thought, he thought grandmother would be worried. Grandmother, he thought grandmother would be worried. Grandmother would be worried and protest hearing this, and protest hearing this. Hearing this, full stop. But she showed what worried, full stop. But she showed, S-H-O-W-E-D, showed no sign of, no sign, S-I-G-N, sign of emotion, no sign of emotion. He accepted it. She accepted. ACCEPTET. She accepted it with calmness, with calm. CALMNESS. She accepted it with calmness. After 5 years, after 5 years, after 5 years, when he returns, when he returns, after 5 years, when he returns, he came to the station. He came to the station. He came to the station to receive him. To receive him. RECEIVE. Receive him. Full stop. To receive him. He was calm. CALM. Calm as usual. He was calm. CALM. Calm as usual. ଆଗ ଭଳି ଯେମିତି ଥିଲେ ସେମିତି ନିରବରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ. Our prayers, telling the beads, telling, TELLING, telling the beads of her rosary, ROSARY. We are still continuing. Continuing, full stop. Continuing. In the evening, grandmother collected the women of the neighborhood, of the neighborhood, the women of the neighborhood, beat drum, 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 and sang loudly, In the morning she fell ill. She fell ill. Fell ill. Fell ill. Ill. She lay peacefully in bed. She laid, LAID. She laid peacefully in bed. She laid peacefully in bed. Recited prayers. Told her beads. Died. Her dead body. Her dead body was covered with a was covered with a red shroud. Red shroud. SHRUD shroud. SHROUD shroud माने धोती. Red shroud. People made arrangements. People made arrangements for a funeral. Arrangement for funeral. FUNEAL. Funeral. Full stop. They went to the grandmother. They went. They went to the grandmother. They went to the grandmother's. Like the grandmother's room. Grandmother's room. Taking a broad stretcher. A broad. CRUD. Broad stretcher. 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 Broad stretcher. CRUDE. Broad stretcher. 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 They saw that. They saw that around the dead body, of a grandmother, thousands of sparrows, were sitting quietly. QUIETLY, quietly. Full stop. They did not even look at the crumbs. They did not even look at the crumbs. Crumbs. CRUMPS. Crumbs. Full stop. They were mourning over. Mourning. MOURNING. Mourning over. Again repeat करूँ. They were mourning over grandmother's death. ସେମାନେ ଶୋକ ପାଳୁଥିଲେ grandmother ଙ୍କ death. Grandmother's death. Grandmother's death. 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 When people carried 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 grandmother's crops. CORPSE. Corpse of. OFF. Suburb. Grandmother's crops. They flew OFF of. Corpse of. They flew away. Grandmother's corpse of. They flew away. Full stop. They showed SHOWED. They showed the best example of a true love for true love and affection. For true love and affection. ठीक है, डिस्कशन करेगा पासिव रूल। फर्स्ट रूल सिंपल प्रेजेंट। सिंपल प्रेजेंट रूल कौन राजश्री? सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज, सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज और आर थ्री कौन होची सरिता? फर्स्ट रूल कौन? सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज और आर प्लस थ्री रूल गुड़ा रेगुलरली लास्ट को पचरा आगो सब्जेक्ट गला हमर सिंपल प्रेजेंट प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव रूल कौन ईश्वरी? कौन हला प्रोग्रेसिव रूल नंबर सब्जेक्ट प्लस इजम आर प्लस बीइंग प्लस v3 सब्जेक्ट प्लस इजम आर प्लस बीइंग प्लस v3 सब्जेक्ट प्लस इजम आर प्लस बीइंग प्लस v3 हला तापरे हमर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट रूल को कोमल कहलो सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीइंग प्लस v3 ऐसे बेले बेले क्लिक कर जाए पेट्रोल की असुविधा नहीं भूल हो ठीक है कोई तुमको समझते भाई को की चेष्टा करा तीनटा रूल मन रह गला सिंपल प्रेजेंट रूल सब्जेक्ट प्लस इजम आर प्लस v3 अच्छा प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव सब्जेक्ट इजम आर प्लस v3 प्लस v3 प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट सब्जेक्ट प्लस आर प्लस v प्लस v3 फिर के चुपचाप बसचो तापर हमें जीवा पास्ट सिंपल को पास्ट सिंपल पास्ट सिंपल रूल कौन है सरिता? सब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज और ओआर प्लस v3 माने से सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज और ओआर प्लस v3 सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज और ओआर प्लस v3 अच्छा हमें देखिए पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज और वेयर प्लस बीइंग प्लस जो मन पर होय जे लिखि नेवा दरकार सेकंड ईयर तुमरा आउट मार्क पड़िबनी तापरे जे ऑनर्स रहला से लिटरेचर ऊपर नोवेल ऊपर फोकस करिबा प्रत्येक रूल करो तो तमे जितरो टीचर हो केमते पिला को पड़ेबो अच्छा हमें देखिबा पास्ट परफेक्ट रे कोन रूल सब्जेक्ट प्लस आर प्लस बीइंग प्लस v3 सब्जेक्ट प्लस आर प्लस बीइंग प्लस v3 ये गला पास्ट रो ठीक है प्रेजेंट को प्रेजेंट सिंपल रूल प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट सिंपल पास्ट ये कोन पार्टी बापू को ये करने काई करना काई सब पेट्रोल को करना तो आउ दे पास्ट सिंपल सब्जेक्ट पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव पास्ट परफेक्ट simple future subject shall or will plus b plus v3 मतलब subject plus shall or will plus b plus v3 subject plus shall or will plus b plus v3 simple future बोला तापर दिला future perfect subject plus shall or will plus are plus been plus v3 subject plus shall or will plus are plus been v3 subject will plus been ठीक हैला ताले कहले देखिबा पिले टिके मन पकेबा फ्यूचर को सिंपल फ्यूचर फ्यूचर प्लस मेन प्लस काय काय ना पार्टिसिपल सब्जेक्ट ठीक है ना ताले टिके पळेबा स्टार्ट सिंपल प्रेजेंट future progressive future progressive apa nih अच्छा past simple past perfect future perfect simple past students before the actual winding of the class the great day for Kannu as well as Manasi. So let's have a class. Very nice, very nice, very nice class. चला जी बैठे जी जन करो बहुत बढ़िया दिन आराम से पढ़ाई करो How it goes. Yeah. Lisa. Ah. Leo. Lisa. What's it? Italy. कितना सुखा? Mirzali. Misa. So. Joy. Kita. Anopuna. Alvindor. Ostabel. Ostarani. Vipina. Akaspita. Visal. Vishwajit. Andro. Demasita. Devasmita. Dimon. Diptimoi. History. Virdos. Vilma. Gaurav. Hare Sorry. Prakruti. Kumar. Hukum. Ambadar. Bakmidya. Narani. Ipsavera. Pavitra. Amoni. Anasi. Anisa. Mohit. Mrutyunjay. Nandini. Naresh. Ajia. Niharika. Prakash. Parvati. Ayab. Pradhan.
प्रज्ञा, प्रियदर्शिनी, प्रियंका, अक्षया, बाबू, राजश्री, महेंद्र, अस्मिता, तुलसी, हरिता, कृति, रंजनी, बेatrice, मेरंजन मिश्रा, मेरंजन साहू, मेरंजन दास, की, पत्रा, अजित, पत्नी, राम, मंत्र, गुहाना, नंदा, प्रिया, प्रिया, नंबर 1 नमस्कार।